To use your phone MAC address when connecting to a Wi-Fi network in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap connection, and then tap Wi-Fi. Next, tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right, and then select advanced setting, tap manage network. Now tap the required Wi-Fi network, tap view more, tap MAC address type, and then select phone MAC. By doing this, next time your phone connects to this Wi-Fi network, your phone MAC address will be used to register to the network. As a note, using your phone MAC address may allow the network to track your location. Just make sure you choose this setting for the trusted network only. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.